Hello everyone, we are PT2 Team 18. My name is Mindy and I'll be representing the team to share with you on our project finding on parking rates in Singapore. Here is the agenda. Do you always get questioned by people around you, hey, what to eat for lunch? Your reaction will always be, no clue or no idea. We all know that food exercise is a favorite pastime of people in Singapore. We all love traveling around Singapore just to eat. Many of us will also drive to a particular restaurant to pay for a visit. But have you ever wondered if a place is expensive to park the car for lunch? In this project, we want to explore through the data to find out the problem definitions we have come up with. Firstly, what kind of car parks are available? Secondly, if we are around a particular district, can we find affordable car park rates to park the car? Our team have primarily taken the car park rate dataset from LTA Datamod. The parking rates from One Motoring by LTA and sgcarmart.com are the other sources to create the accuracy of information. The raw data was unstructured and it was cleaned with pre-processing methods such as removing duplicates and non-values, as well as using label encoding for categorical data to be used in machine learning. During the data cleaning, we realized that there was no standardization for car park rates. Some car park charges at per minute, half hourly, hourly, or per entry. To fit our problem definition, the team has decided to consolidate the car park prices for a 3-hour lunchtime parking. To facilitate our analysis, the following data columns were also added. The total rate column was created for single column response during machine learning. It is the average cost of parking a car over 3 hours on weekdays, weekends, and public holiday. Here are the three assumptions that we have made. We only consider the charges for the car type is for a normal car between 12 pm to 3 pm, which does not include HDB car park for residential users. We plot the different car park rates against area, type, and district code for exploring. We learned that the car park types available in Singapore are mainly used for attraction, commercial, government, hospital, hotels, and shopping mall. The most number of car park types belongs to shopping malls. Most car parks are concentrated in central area of Singapore. Since most car parks are in the central, we want to know the price ranges for the different districts. From the blocks plot, it shows that District 10 has the highest median. The car park rates at Ardmore, Bukit Timah, Holland Road and Tanglin are more expensive. The machine learning method used is k-means clustering. It is an unsupervised learning to identify clusters of data objects in a dataset. As per our problem definition, we want to find out if there are affordable car park rates to park the car, if we are around a particular area, building type, or district. Hence, by grouping the data, we want to see the number of groups represented by the k variable. The criteria factor to determine the affordability will either be cheap or expensive. To represent the criteria factor, k is indicated as 2. The above graph shows the total rate of car parks in different areas of Singapore. As you can see, the most number of affordable car park rates with prices at around $5 and below. However, in central of Singapore, there are also many more expensive car park rates with prices beyond $10. Similarly, K is 2 used for car park rates when the car park is at different building types. The rates at shopping malls are the most evenly distributed. The most notable was that the car parks at hotel can be very costly and can go up to $20 parking fee in just a mere 3 hours. What surprises us was that the car parks at commercial building are comparable with rates at hotel. This graph shows the k-means clustering of total rates with district code, and the k-value explored is 5. The incremental of district code does not hold any meaningful value except for recognizing which district it belongs to. Hence, we cannot rely on group clustering to determine the affordability of car park rates in a particular district. Rather, we have to fall back to the clustering of building type and particular area location to determine the affordability of car park rates. In all, the affordable car park rates to park the car for lunch is in shopping malls. There are many car park available in central of Singapore, however, we cannot determine the affordability of parking rates at a particular district by k-means clustering. What we have learned in this project is exploring machine learning technique with k-means clustering to find out affordability of car park rates and identifying groupings on different variables. Label encoding was also used to categorize value for useful data analysis. And the interesting insights that we found that it is expensive to park at hotel, and we have a lot of shopping malls in Singapore. Here are the team member contribution. Crystal supports in data exploration and cleaning, label encoding techniques, machine learning techniques for k-means clustering, preparing for the PowerPoint slides. While myself, I have helped with problem definition, assist Crystal with data exploration and cleaning, perform exploratory analysis, assist in PowerPoint slides, and recording the video. Before we end, here are our references that we have taken during our analysis. Thank you.